servant. Go gather all the princes, governors, and captains. Tell all the judges, the treasurer, the counselor, the sheriff, and all the rulers of the land to come to the dedication of the idol which shall the king have made.
Yes, my king. Prince, the king has called for you to come at once. He has made a new golden idol.
A new golden idol? Oh, that's wonderful. Another God for us to worship.
Governor, in the name of the king, hurry to go worship the king's new idol.
The king and new idol, I want to go to new God and help us. Oh yes, we are going now.
Captains of the king, hurry to go worship the king's new idol.
Dedication of the idol, we must see at once. You can hear, read it, and respond. So that is a project he has been working on for a while.
Judges, did you hear? You have to go to the king to see his new idol.
What a wonderful thing the king has done for us. He has blessed you and you God.
Greetings to you, treasurers, counselors, and sheriffs. I have news. The king bids you come at once for the dedication of his newest idol.
This is very special for our nation.
O King Nebuchadnezzar, I have told all the rulers to come as you said. They are all here.
Thank you, my faithful servant. Herod, it is time up.
To his commandment, all people of his great nation. When you hear the sound of music, you must bow down and worship the golden idol. And the anyone does not bow down, they be cast into the burning fiery furnace.
O King, live forever. You just made a decree that every man shall bow down and worship the golden image at the song of the music. I know, King, you decree that who does not bow down and worship shall be cast into the burning fiery furnace.
There are few that you said offer the offer of Babylon that men that do obey your command, they will not serve you God, nor they will worship that the golden idol that you have set up.
It is those men looking, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Soldier, bring those men to me. Is it true, O Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego? Do you not serve my God, and do you not bow down to worship the golden idol that I have set? Now, if you are ready this time, when you hear the music again, and you fall down and worship the golden idol, all will be well. But if you don't bow down, you will be cast into a fire furnace, and then what God can save you out of my hands.
Want to be careful and careful to answer you about this.
If that happened, our God whom we serve is able to deliver us by the burning furnace, and he will deliver us out of your hand, O King.
But even if he doesn't save us, know that we will not serve your God, and we will worship the golden image that you have set.
Heat the furnace 7 times hotter. Soldier, bind Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, and cast them into the furnace. Do you not throw 3 men that will lose Walker? Do you not throw 3 men that are tied into the fire?
Yes, O King.
I see 4 men lose walking around the fire, and the 4th one is the Son of God. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servant of the Most High God, come out of the furnace.
The fire did not do anything to them.
Now one here and then there is 7 singers.
They caused so many damage, not one thing.
Then don't you smell like smoke?
Blessed be the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who sent his angel to deliver his servant that trusted in him. They shattered the king's sword and gave their blood to their God. Now I will make a new decree. Every person that says anything against the one true God will be cut into pieces, and their house shall be made dunghill, because there is no other God that can deliver.
Our God is good.